I love herbal teas, and so in summer I can make my own herbal teas, which is super exciting. I love a mint tea, so just thought I'd show you all the different types of mints. So I've got apple mint here, Moroccan mint, this is my favourite tea mint, chocolate peppermint, lemon balm if you prefer lemony, and lemon verbena. This is amazing, this is delicious in water. And then if I have a sore throat, I'll make a sage tea. Rosemary, apparently good for memory, so I really do need to be drinking a lot of that. And thyme, which is really nice with orange peel sometimes. So to make like a fresh mint apple tea, so we could have a mixed mint, I've just got boiling water, just pop it in the pot there, maybe have some Moroccan mint as well. I probably wouldn't mix mint with the lemony ones, but nothing to stop you. And then you've got a nice, let that brew for a while. Or sometimes I just want a cup of tea, so I'll just have a cup of boiling water and I'll put a few leaves in. And that's delicious tea there, ready for sewing. Sometimes at the beginning of the day I'll fill a jug of water and I'll put just put the herbs in there cold, and over the day they will sort of infuse, which is really nice. That's quite a nice lemony rosemary one. Look really nice as well. If I'm having friends around to dinner, I'll do like a water, maybe with some lemons in there. This is a tiny hexagons project I started quite some time ago, but I will one day make into a purse.